So question 5 is a couple of typical transformation problems. So transformation, if you transform a shape, you are changing it in some way. Part A, we're being asked to change this shape by rotating it 90 degrees clockwise about the point 0. So the way that you're going to do that is grab your tracing paper, which is given to you in the exam. If you're not given it, ask for it. What you're going to do is trace that shape neatly as you can. Once you've done that, you're going to place your pen on the centre of rotation, so that's right at the point 0, and you're going to grab your tracing paper and turn it through 90 degrees, so that's a right angle, quarter of a turn, and you're going to go clockwise, so in the direction that a clock goes, so your shape will end up round about there. What you need to do then is kind of judge where it is and then redraw that. So if you press hard enough through your tracing paper, actually you can mark it into the paper, but if you sort of just visualise where that is and then remove the tracing paper, my shape's going to end up round about there. Part B, quite a typical describe question. So it says describe fully. So there's going to be 2 or 3 things you need to say here to describe the transformation. Look carefully at the number of marks. It's a good clue. If it's 2 marks, it's 2 points. So this here, the shape P has moved to get to shape Q. We don't say move. We use the word translate instead of move. And we describe that translation by how it's moved. So pick 1 point, so pick a corner. Count how you get to that same point on the new shape. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So up 3 in our x value, and then down 1 in our y. So my translation is going to be by the vector. Vector is just a way of saying what transformation we've done. And then we're going to use my x value at the top there, so that's going to be 3, and then the y change bottom there, so it's 3 minus 1. You could say translate 3 right and 1 down, but using the vector terminology is much better.